the small clean blood wey dey between Regina Daniels and her co-wife, Jaroma go black that blood. Even though say this matter wey dey happen no be Jaroma fault 100%, but Jaroma dragging Regina Daniels' ex-co-wife inside this matter is unheard of. Hello my beautiful people, now let me go straight to the point. This particular video na Jaroma na I dey call out the small clean blood wey dey between Regina Daniels and her co-wife, Jaroma go black that blood. Even though say this matter wey dey happen no be Jaroma fault 100%, but Jaroma dragging Regina Daniels' ex-co-wife inside this matter is unheard of. Okay, that woman, except say the woman don't do something special, she don't dey use the opportunity. Jaroma na opportunist. Jaroma na a person. When she say Jaroma does not have friend, actually Jaroma does not need friend. You just need only yourself, because I don't know what kind of decent good friend where God want waste with you. Where better people they will go need that friend more than you. You go just mess that friend up now with this your foul life when it be like say you dey live. Which kind human be where Jaroma be? This matter now so, and besides, Ned one co-wife comot, she get problem with her husband and she comot. I don't know the people where they get this mind say na kaya matter na pursue am. Even though say na kaya matter pursue am safe, pursue the woman, she's living her best life. She no be like person when it be like say she regret her decision. She dey post content with her children. She is okay. Jaroma for just let the matter be and attack Regina Daniels, but Jaroma don't dey put advice say whether your husband don't leave your co-wife yet. Advert them like that. Come and buy Jaroma product. Your husband will leave your co-wife and come back to you. Now how Jaroma say they do kaya matter product now? Like because of that small window opportunity, what it will make you not rich? One small window opportunity will just open like this. Yeah, you don't call yourself inside. Small door just open. If na government house, na that door they open. Pew, you don't tight yourself. Jaroma will be so suffocating. Really, you will dey suffocate. Gone. Your own type. God of mercy. What it will make you not rich? Like this now, so she don't do adverse say Nigeria pass Morocco. Wetin this Moroccan woman now don't do for this matter where they drag am, and the woman you know go 100% blame Jaroma the way we self no, we not the 100% they blame Jaroma. She go maybe 50% blame Jaroma for dragging her inside this kind of matter, and then she go 50% blame her co-wife, or her ex-co-wife, which is Regina Daniels. Maybe the small good blood where they between them, where they go see they say hi, Jaroma go mess the whole thing up. Jaroma self no even bloody care. If Regina Daniels na normal girl where they do normal things for Nigeria, like buy Wivon, go school, buy clothes, dress, makeup, do video on social media, and then sit down for your mama house, when I think say Jaroma go near her in the first place. Jaroma no go near this girl in the first place. And besides, she bring out the contract say they no sign her. Which kind foolish talk be that one? Normally, no be Jaroma duty to make sure say her contract is signed before payment. Jaroma don't know say for this small girl to marry her grandpapa age, she go like money. She don't go talk to this girl about kaya matter as the girl just shake her yes, so yeah, you don't wire money inside account without making sure say they sign this deal. Normally they go sign this contract and then you go pay and then you get your job done, but you just force this money down her throat like rats, where they literally they carry fish, they go and keep this fish. When I know the way it go end up, fish and rats not be the same thing. Regina Daniels and money not be the same thing. In fact, see, Regina Daniels and this Madam Kaya Mata will be Jaroma. It be like saying at the same man I born una too, because Regina Daniels na small version of Madam Kaya Mata. This Madam Kaya Mata so na the big version of Regina Daniels. Two of una na the same man I go even born una for una second life. Una like money, una go do anything for the money. Just as Regina Daniels like the money, now so you self they see the opportunity to make your money. She don't put herself for 70 million naira target, and she's tagging this Ikoyi building wey collapse on people like this. She don't put her business, they tag her business there, say make people buy. If you reach 70 million, she will carry the money, she will give the victims them. Who will go call? Who will go ask whether Jaruma drop 70 million for victims then? Who will go ask? But because say the thing they rain or something where they rain, just as the time when Regina Daniels they rain, you put on. Influencers then for Nigeria, and Regina Daniels is not even number 6 or number 7 or number 10 to me self. When you see that Bobrisky, there are many of them when I don't know their name. When you talk of influencers, then mostly for this Instagram, then they work. If you give them money, they will do your job well for you. You decide to pick Regina Daniels because she dey trend that time, and the matter no favor you. As well, just open this minute now for the wife divorce and the quarrel where you and Regina Daniels quarrel. Now she want make 70 million out of 10 million where they supposed to do advert for you. Her mama Regina, talk about the mothers and when I don't want to be, because me so I don't already get daughter. Me, the mama when I know I'm being, I be Mama Regina. Because I don't know whether if you shout for this girl, you need money, she not go turn up for you. If you scold her and tell her, say this thing what she they do is wrong. Maybe Nana, if you need 100K, you not get her. My daughter, she feel no answer you. I get mama once, and I know say me and my mama, we really deal on that period. Okay, most of the time when it be like say I don't do wrong like this, we go drag them, almost drag the matter. Everybody, oh yeah, you day your side, make I day my lane. Day your day, make I day my day. Now when the mama when I get so come out, can't die. That person will go to call me out if I did wrong. I know call they see and now call no say na important something. Why you no go to feel they call your daughter out? Sometimes she do something wrong. You scold her, you shout for her. Even though I say that the big pass beat sometimes, even if you slap them, your hand go pain you put inside. At least they see talk, they shout, they scold her. They let her know say this thing a wrong thing, this thing a right thing. Now Mama Regina and I be the mother where they between these two ladies. When Regina Daniels so they turn up for Madam Kayamata, now so she dey mommy, she dey call Rita Daniels every time. Mommy. She drop voice note, I be waiting. When she dey report Regina Daniels to Mama Regina. She did nothing. Nothing changed for her from the time when she take call Regina Daniels till now where the matter take the ground, where they bring problem. Nothing changed because you know talk to her, nothing. Maybe if you talk to her, she no go talk to you again. If you dey find money, she no go give you. So you go just leave her. Now see, the co-wife when black say no do anything, they don't dey drag and put the content where Regina Daniels no one create for her. She don't dey pull her. They create the content anyhow she can on top Regina Daniels head now. So that's why I know they blame her. But at the end of the day, even blind person go see say this Jaruma, she get bitter spirit, and to say she know they at fault for that divorce, for that this thing, for that contract where they no sign. Maybe by now for don't know say this Jaruma a bad person. To say she know they at fault, she know say she for make sure say they sign the contract before she pay. To say she know they at fault, maybe this take them to court when people they advise and she for don't carry them go court since. Jaruma get one kind good spirit. That's why she don't want to take them to court. She just they leave them. She's acting like the big sister. Now lie. She they act like the big sister then because she needs something. Now what the thing what she needs, she see say she's not getting it the way she they play nice. Now she they get her brutally by dragging the other woman inside the mess. Morocco woman, your husband don't leave a co-wife. Abi your husband don't leave your co-wife yet. When I take an easy.
May 18, 2021, Regina and her brother Sammy Daniels were calling me and her mother so that we can make a video. Sammy Daniels want to shoot a video that I should come and be part of the video. And you can see my response. I said, look, this support is one-sided, I can't shoot this video if I'm not getting the kind of, support back. I'm just the one giving the support. I'm not getting the same love and support back. Now, listen to this voice note on the 12th of June 2020.
How are you doing?
2021.
Mommy, I've been calling Regina. I've been calling her, I think, for the past 2 days, yesterday and day before yesterday. So she has not picked up my calls. She has not called me back. and she's not replied my messages. So this is it. This is what I've been complaining about for the past 6 months. It's the same thing. You call Gina, I've paid 10 million naira to call Gina to post my advert or to do my video or to post the product. She won't do it. This is what I've been complaining, and again it has happened now. Day before yesterday, and yesterday again. I've been calling. She didn't pick. She didn't call me back. She didn't reply. This is what I've been complaining, and then she's now saying the 10 million naira contract is over. Throughout the whole 6 months, she posted me only 4 times. She posted me only 4 times, and the contract we had was that she will post me once a week for 6 months. Throughout the 6 months, she only posted me 4 times.
3 times. I made a mistake. She posted me only 3 times.
It's just somehow, whenever
only
she
3 times, not 4 times.
Running to you to say, Mommy, I called her, she didn't pick. Then the next week, I will text her, she won't reply. I'll start running to you. That's what I said. I said somehow for me to always, I have to keep running to you, Mommy, running to you to tell Gina to post. It's not nice, Mommy. It's so unfair. 10 million naira. I don't even think I've made the money back, and I've been, doing everything like a sister, I've been there. I go all out. I spend my money, generously, so I just feel it's one-sided, it's like the love and the support is not mutual, it's like it's one-sided, so I feel bad. This is somehow, for 10 million naira. This is what I've been telling you. So for how long will I have to keep running back to you to say Gina should post, or Gina should post my advert or my video or something?